Good morning, guys. Just kidding, it's not morning anymore. It's like 2:30, 2:23 to be exact. And I just came back from winter break and now we're starting spring. So I have a bunch of stuff to do for my room and I'm getting excited, but it's okay. I did like a little plant sanctuary sort of thing that I got for Christmas. I got like all these little plants, so I love it. Let's get to it. Let's get to this cleaning madness. I don't even want to open that closet door, but yeah, I got clothes I'm gonna be going through in my drawer and everywhere. I'm gonna be washing my sheets and we're gonna be productive. Productivity is key. So let's do it, yay. I had to go back upstairs for my Tide Pods, but might I say this is the cleanest the laundry room has ever been. Like literally the cleanest this room has ever been. Like the floors are spotless right now, wow. Well, at least you know now, like, it's doing what it needs to. Alrighty, so we're making some good progress. I don't know why my necklace keeps doing this. This is solely a pile of FIU shirts itself that I've gotten for free, that I've gotten for organizations that they've given for dorming here. When I went to DC for the convocation, literally this is all FIU shirts. This can take up a drawer in itself. Like, I think I'm gonna keep a few. I mean, I literally have a shirt for like a whole 3 months with this. Maybe two months. I discovered that these clothes are all gonna try to get hangers and hang up in the closet. My second load of laundry, change my bed sheets into the dryer and then put these to wash. So yeah, let's go do that. Okay, we're good with that. There goes my necklace again. Now I kind of feel like going on a lunch break. Because, dang, I left those shirts right there that I was supposed to wash. No! I'm gonna see what happens if I air fry this frozen pizza. I think it will be good, but we'll see in approximately 10 minutes. Guys, my roommate Sophia got a fish, and then now she got 2 shrimp. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Like, I don't even know if it's... Do you see that? Is my phone gonna focus? Oh. This camera's so weird. Oh, but look how pretty.
Right? It's so hard to like get it in the water.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, you can see it.
There it goes. There's one.
It's like right in there.
Right there.
Oh my god, did the other one move?
Right there. My fucking. Oh my gosh.
I can't believe how he's peeking out.
Gosh, the pizza air fryer worked.
Really?
Yes, it worked. Oh my
Does it
gosh.
come out like nice and crispy?
Yes, look at that.
Ooh, yeah.
You guys, this is the best pizza I've ever had. Air fried pizza. And this is just cheese too. Like, it's so good. The texture is perfect. I used 8 minutes though, not 10. I think that made a really big difference. But like literally, wow. 10 out of 10. Trader Joe's, you've done it again. Slice number 2. What to do next? Still here. But we are making a lot of progress. Like a lot of progress. I'm finding areas where I didn't need anything at all. Like I found like a whole thing of reusable bags that I can just take out and put my groceries in for next time. And then I'm seeing other ways where I can compose and then give some clothes that I'm not really wearing at all to charity or to a drive. Yeah, but we're making progress. I think the biggest thing is kind of just keeping it this way. Keeping whatever I'm doing like organized, and yeah, just being able to know the difference between a need and a want, because a lot of times I feel like I want something, I want this, I want that one, but then like I don't really need it. I have something that's almost the same. Like a prime example of this would be my jackets. I have like 5 jackets, black jackets here. There's one hanging up in here, and then I have like 4, one in the drawer, and then like 2 hanging on my chair. Like, or there might be another one somewhere else, but my point is that I think I need more black jackets. Maybe I want a leather one next time. Yeah, variety's okay, but do I need it? No. Do I want it? Heck yeah. I'll continue doing what I am here. It's not that late, it's 7 o'clock, 7:09 to be exact. And yeah, I'm trying to remember if I washed these rags or not. I'm about to wash them again, because I literally can't remember if I have. Like, I literally don't know. So I think I'm just gonna put them for the wash. I mean, they don't really smell like anything. I feel like I washed some and I didn't wash others. So I think I'm just gonna wash them again, because it will get rid of the lint that it carries anyways. Yeah, right now I'm just trying to be very minimal with the way I'm keeping my closet. Like that right now is very minimal, believe it or not. I'm gonna try to like see what I have up there and ways I can like put toilet papers in some type of bag so it's like a lot easier. I got an iron in here that I rarely use. My roommate used it before I even did. Like, I don't really iron clothes unless I'm going somewhere that's formal. And usually when I'm going somewhere formal, I wear a dress that doesn't need to be ironed. So, and then I have the bedding up here. This is what my bed stuff came in. My comforter plastic and stuff. Hyperallergenic, breathable, and super soft. And then, oh my gosh, I forgot about this bag. This bag I would usually like take on trips. I have so many reusable bags. Continue doing what I got here. We're making a lot of progress. Aiming to the floor. I know it looks crazy, but honestly, I'm getting work done. So, piece by piece. Thank you for watching this video all the way till this point. If you have continued, I really appreciate it. But yeah, let's get to work more. Okay, so we're definitely making a lot of progress. I got more stuff in the closet over here, and then that's more room on the floor. That is more room on the floor. So we're making progress. I'm gonna go get my last load of laundry and then wrap this up. I'm gonna wrap it up. I was trying everything that I could to, you know, tidy up the place. I already got rid of one trash bag. I'm in the process of getting rid of some other stuff that unfortunately I wasn't able to utilize to the fullest, but I know for next time, and I'm definitely going to be more cautious in the way that I want stuff and pick stuff from free events and stuff like that, because I literally have a bag full of bags of just like reusable bags that I don't really often will use. It will definitely come in clutch sometimes, but I won't really need to use it for going to class or whatnot. So I think I need another break. This is done. The last little bit of laundry. The thing is now, I feel like I don't have enough hangers to yeah, I don't. So we'll see how that goes. I think it'll be fine. I just gotta utilize the drawers more. Yeah. Oh. You guys, I did it. I cleaned my room. I have a suitcase full of, oh. Forgot one thing. Just one thing. Better. So yes, I cleaned my room. The floor guys, you can see it now. You can see the floor. You can see the floor. Okay. Yeah, but I cleaned. I didn't do everything. I still need to sweep. Yeah, there's a bunch of other stuff I still need to do, but I got the main part that I wanted to get done today. I was doing this from like 2 o'clock. It took 8 hours for me to do this. Around, maybe like more like 7. But still, it took like a whole day. It took like a whole day for me to do this. But you know what? It is done. I'm going to enjoy the rest of my pizza because I only ate half of it. And yeah, I'll probably just read and chill a little bit. All this needs to be taken out right there. See that? That needs to be taken out. It's not all my trash. That's also my roommate, part of my roommate's trash. But yeah, I feel like a lot, I feel so much more like at ease. There's still more stuff I need to go through, like some of this pink stuff in this bag, but it's stuff that I recently just got, so I'm not gonna stress too much about it. I would like to go through some of my like self-care, skincare, regimen stuff, like toothpaste, toothbrush, change all that out. Just like some oils and stuff, like old shampoo, conditioner. I would like to go through some of that as well, and then after that I'm pretty much done. Like, I don't need to add anything else to my room. I don't need to really, I can definitely take some stuff out, but I hope I can really maintain it like this because this took a long time. So it took a long time. But yeah, thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. You are an OG, like for real. Like, you are a goat. You are at all of the above. Don't forget to hydrate for the day. And I hope you found this video very entertaining, very inspiring. I know I did. I am going to also do some yoga because I have not moved my body in the way I wanted to at all today. So I'm gonna do some yoga, read a book, and eat some pizza. That's what I got. Maybe I'll finish watching this Netflix series I got into, but the book I'm reading right now is really good. So it's been a while since I picked up fiction, but anyways, love you. Bye. This is what my lights look like, by the way. Okay, forgot to show you this one. Yeah. He did it. Okay, bye for real this time.